Central cooling seawater pump replace mechanical cell. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video is about the central cooling seawater pump replace mechanical cell due to seawater leak. Remove the motor. Dismount the pump complete from the pump housing. Clean the pump housing. Loosen and remove the impeller nut. Check the match mark. Remove the impeller nut. Remove the impeller washer. Mount the impeller fowler. Remove the impeller complete. Check the condition. Dismount the pump shaft from the frame and check the condition. Dismount the shaft key. Clean the shaft before the removal of the mechanical cell. Clean the impeller nut thread. Wrap up with tape to avoid damage of the thread. Took up a measurement before the disassembly of the mechanical cell and record the result. Loosen the seat screw of the mechanical cell stopper. Remove the spring or bellows. Now, clean and check one by one the mechanical cell condition. Remove the casing cover and check the carbon condition and the O-ring. Remove the rubber dust stopper. Clean the pump shaft. And this is the mechanical cell carbon with damage. And now we have to check the new spare mechanical cell and check the inside diameter were the same on the old mechanical cell before the assembly. Apply the small amount of grease. Mount the lower O-ring of the frame. Mount the upper O-ring. Smoothen the pump shaft. Mount the rubber dust stopper. Mount the O-ring and the carbon. And check the condition. And mount the casing cover into the pump shaft. Mount the mechanical cell spring or bellows. Mount the mechanical cell stopper and fix the spring. Took up the measurement and tighten the mechanical cell stopper seat screw. Apply with a small amount of grease into the pump frame and the pump shaft. Mount the pump shaft into the pump frame. Mount the pump shaft key. Mount the impeller. Mount the washer. Mount the impeller nut and tighten properly with the match mark before the disassembly. Check the match mark. Assemble the pump complete into the pump housing and apply with a small amount of grease. Fix the bolts and tighten properly. Fix all connections and fittings of the vacuum pump. Mount the motor. Fix the bolts and tighten properly. Mount the coupling bolts. Mount the casing cover and tighten properly. Mount the electrical wire connection and tighten properly. Mount the motor fan cover. Open the seawater suction valve and the delivery valve and check for any water leakage. Start and stop the pump and check the running condition. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.